Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find videos with captions on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. If you scroll through the list, you can observe that few videos have subtitles and few videos have not. To filter videos with captions, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Features section, click on Subtitles or CC option. The search results will now only include videos that have captions or subtitles. This is how you can find videos with captions on YouTube. Thank you for watching.